Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Chet ear training app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Chet is an ear training app designed to help musicians improve listening skills, pitch recognition, intervals, chords, and rhythm accuracy. The app includes structured lessons, practice drills, and real-time feedback that help users strengthen their musical ear over time. It's available on both iOS and Android and supports beginners, music students, and professionals looking to sharpen their listening abilities. The app's main feature is its interactive training system. You listen to intervals, scales, or chords, and then identify them through guided exercises. It also includes rhythm training, pitch matching, progress tracking, and customizable difficulty levels to fit your learning pace. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its clean interface, structured lessons, and effective training modules that gradually improve recognition skills. The feedback system helps learners understand mistakes instantly, and the app is suitable for daily practice without requiring prior music theory knowledge. However, there are some drawbacks. Some features are locked behind a subscription, and a few users mention that advanced levels can feel repetitive. The accuracy of pitch detection may vary depending on device microphones, which can affect results for some users. Additionally, the app requires consistent practice to see noticeable improvement. In summary, the Chet app may be worth using if you want a focused, structured ear training tool with clear feedback and customizable exercises. However, if you prefer in-person coaching or don't want to pay for premium training modules, it might not be essential for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.